Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to fix me a blackberry cobbler. I have me some blackberries here. I'm going to take and put them in about 1.5 cups of water. And I'm going to put my sugar in, a little cinnamon, a little flavor, some butter. And when they get almost done, I'm going to put about a tablespoon of lemon juice in there. All right, here we go. All right, I have my blackberries take this and drop them in the pot to make my pie.
That looks like that's what you need a little bit more coffee.
Some holes in here and brown this up. One at a time. Filling cool off some. That has the pie crust filling in. I'll bake my pie crust. And now I'm going to put and I'm going to stripe my pie. All right, into the oven we go. Okay, guys, here's our finished product. This is our blackberry cobbler, blackberry pie. We're about to light into it with some bluebell ice cream. And we're about to get our taste testers in here, see what we're working with. Okay, here we go. We have our 2 little taste testers. And let's see what we're working with.
Okay, so last time I tasted this, I was actually by myself. But today I got a special guest today, and it's my little buddy Noah. He's going to help me taste it, right? You help me taste Momo Pie? All right, let's see what you think about it. Noah. How's that?
Good.
He said it's good.
What about you, Luca?
It's amazing.
Okay, thanks, Luca. Thanks, guys.